Alright.
Hello everybody, it's been a year, but we're back, finally, we're gonna have a lot of more videos.
We're gonna try to do a few videos. We're gonna start with the unboxing of the
excellent Thrillipede. Egg-sided Thrillipede, which it's Happy Valentine's Day, by the way, but...
And we've got Toon Buggy.
Toon Buggy and the Soda Schemer.
Yep.
And unboxing with Koopa.
So let's rip in. The Koopa's gonna take over. I don't think he has the thumbs to do it.
This is my show.
You're gonna have to.
This is our show. Get out.
You're gonna have to take it. What's up first? The Toon Buggy.
Yep.
And wow, interesting.
Fun.
Toon Buggy. Now I can do some supercharger combos with Roller Brawl.
And here's this,
and the Toon Buggy.
Here's this sticker.
Alright. What's next? Are you excited to open the next one?
Yep, I'm excited.
Egg-sided?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Who is it?
It's Egg-sided Thrillipede.
Egg-sided Thrillipede.
I thought I broke the egg part. Yay, we
Have an egg?
yeah.
There he is. He looks excited.
And
And there he is.
here's his sticker. Go ahead, in the comments, leave what you think his stats will be.
Is he powerful?
Well,
I bet he's lucky.
I want you to guess.
Alright, what's the first one?
In the comments, you guys can also leave what you think. Well, the first one, it's his, strength, 270.
Dang.
270.
I thought you were going to have me guess.
I know.
270.
Oh.
Am I right?
Yeah. His armor?
Armor, let's see. He doesn't look like he has tons of armor. Let's say 110.
190.
Dang, I was wrong.
Speed?
Speed, he looks slow. I'm going to say 120.
140.
Alright, I'm getting closer.
And his luck, his 4-leaf clover.
He looks really lucky. I'm going to say 230.
Only 200.
Ah.
So, got them all wrong.
The last one is the soda skimmer.
Yeah.
Come on.
You always want to keep your perfect pictures.
I didn't know that. I've been excited about the soda skimmer because now I can do a supercharger combo with Pop Fizz. Been waiting. Now I just have to sit and wait for the racing pack to come out.
5 years later.
5 years later.
Well, thanks for watching.
Do we have a...
What? No, don't.
No?
No, I don't think we have anything.
So that's it?
What the?
That's it for the unboxing?
Why did Koopa just jump across the room? Koopa, what's got in? What?
Did Koopa find something? No, he did not. Let's see what it is. Hold on, I'm zooming. What is it? It is an E3 exclusive Hot Streak. Hey.
Yep.
Sitting on a shelf.
Well, Koopa, I think you've proved yourself royalty. I think we're gonna let you unbox this one. Wait, can we open this one, or should we open the one that we have upstairs?
No, open that one.
Okay.
They're the same thing.
Okay, Koopa.
The E3 Hot Streak coming out of the box. It pains me to watch.
Well, you
I like
always
collecting.
have to win.
Ouch. There it is, the E3 hot streak. You want to get a close-up of it?
Mm-hmm.
'Cause I'd say there's a lot of people that don't have the E3
Unless they
hot
have
streak.
E3. Boo, that's not the E3 hot streak. Koopa, this is a ripoff.
Check that out. Hot streak.